you're welcome, please.
Mugamba Mutia people from Uganda. I'm Asti from Indonesia, and I'm really happy to be here today to join with my Mugaga. And today we want to cook matoke because I really like matoke. I always went to African restaurant in Dubai, but in Banias, Lusania, I always went there to eat matoke.
Yeah, she told me that she has a lot of interest in matoke, and then I said, "Oh wow, that is so amazing!" Like sometimes it's so amazing to meet someone from different nationality, and they pick interest in a specific meal. Yeah, basically we have Pam here. She will be also taking you through her journey where she picked the interest and how far she has gone with the matoke. Welcome, Pam.
You're talking about Matooke? Hi guys, Aseni. How are you guys? I hope you're doing fine and everything is good. Okay, so today we invited our friend here, Aste. We'll cook together. We'll have a dinner together, and our meal for today is matoke. I think in Kenya we call it mandizi.
Yeah,
It's mandizi, typically mandizi. And for my Kenya people, the way Ugandan cook matoke, it's very different with how us Kenyan cook matoke. So join us, learn how to cook matoke the Ugandan way. Thank you. So let's start the video. We'll start with the cooking. Aste will start to show us how to peel the matoke in the Ugandan way, not the Kenyan way, not other way, the Ugandan way.
It's different Uganda and Kenya.
Yeah, it's different. We in Kenya, matoke is not mostly eaten there, but we do eat, but rarely. So it's different how matoke is peeled in Kenya and how it's in Uganda. Yeah.
Okay.
So the way you know how to peel is the Ugandan way.
It's in Uganda we have to peel.
Yeah.
And
but in Kenya it's different. Yeah, it's different.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start.
So before you start, I want to give you a trick. As you're cooking matoke, you have to always apply oil so that it doesn't stick on your fingers.
Okay.
I think you have been saying that sometimes you peel and then it remains on the fingers.
Yeah, before I peel matoke, but I didn't put oil. So it's karaban my hand.
Yeah. So you have to apply oil in your fingers first before you begin, and then that will help you to peel the matoke properly.
Okay.
Matoke in Indonesia, like banana or
Yeah, but the way it's different way how to cook.
you cook matoke like this banana.
Not like this. It's small.
Oh, the small one.
Yeah, it's not big like this. Is so big.
And
It's
how
why-
you make it?
Like we boil with skin, not peel like this.
You boil with the skin, and then what do you eat with?
Eat with only boil and open, remove the skin, and then eat just like that.
Oh,
It's like this,
yeah.
but the green is removed also.
You have to remove the green parts. Let's put it. Okay, let's pray.
But this one.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, until it's.
And how about Kenyan?
Kenya? For me, I also learned how to peel matoke like this. I didn't know how to peel. Wilson is the one who taught me how to peel matoke.
That is, it's not good. I feel
It's not what?
it's not good. I feel like this.
No, peel until it's white.
Thank you for yet tuning into our channel. I greet you with the greetings of the day wherever you're watching from. It's good that you're on our channel right now and you're giving us a push. If you're watching this video, we really appreciate it. Today we are introducing to you a very unique and specific topic, since our content is more about culture diversity. Don't get surprised to see someone who is not from Uganda or someone who is far away from Uganda to be having the interest of making the local.
So when are you visiting Africa?
I wish next year I will go to Uganda.
Uganda? Oh, nice. Like, do you know anything about Uganda, like the places that you need to visit? All
No, I don't know. I'm still
Researching.
because I'm still learning Luganda and about food. But most of food I like matoke.
Of all the food,
Yeah.
my favorite food.
Yeah, my
is,
favorite food.
for me, it's Gina.
Gina.
Gina's with maybe rice. Yeah.
You like posho?
Posho? Yeah, ugali is our posho. It's ugali. We call it ugali in Kenya, and in Uganda they call it posho. So for us, instead of matoke, what we eat mostly is the ugali.
Ugali?
But the posho, it's also called ugali in Kenya. That's the difference. So what about Kenya? You know anything about Kenya?
Kenya, I know only language. But only nakupenda.
What's your favorite what's the greetings, the Ugandan greetings? Like how do you say hi?
Mambo.
That is not Uganda. That is Kenya.
Oh yeah, Uganda.
Oliotia.
Oliotia. Ogambotia.
No, how do you answer? I ask you, Oliotia.
Oliotia Ndibulunji.
Okay. Ogambachi.
Ogambochi? What is that?
It's also greetings.
Ndibulunji.
Yeah, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, Dimburunji. How do you say I love you?
Kwagalanyo.
Yeah, kwagalanyo. Okay, in Kenya you say? In Swahili, not in Kenya, in Swahili.
Greeting?
Yeah. No, I love you.
Nakupenda. Right?
Yeah, of course. What about Kam? Jangu.
Jangu in Uganda.
In Uganda, yeah. What else? Which other words do you know? Me, I'm telling you all the words that I know. What about you?
Tugende.
Tugende.
Let's go.
Yeah, another one.
And Olimba.
That one I don't know.
Olimba is line.
Line?
I know like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That one I don't know.
Olimba. Musaja. Mugaga.
What is the meaning of Muganga, by the way?
Mugaga is like boss. Rich man.
Rich man?
Musaja is man.
Okay.
And Muchala is wife. I know some about Uganda. Not all, but I still learn also. But all people asking why you like Uganda. Maybe you dating a guy from Uganda. I said no, I'm single. I like.
Oh
Uganda.
really? You're
Yeah,
single? Okay, for the Ugandan guys, whoever is single, we have another single girl here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You're free to date or no?
Yeah.
Or that it's you open to dating?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Because
I wish I have a brother. I don't have a brother too bad.
Because I have to go to Uganda.
What about Kenya?
Kenya, I did also. Kenya, yeah.
Kenya. So if you get a guy from Kenya, will you get married?
Yeah, if
Uganda.
But I like Uganda.
Oh, Uganda more. My Ugandan people, come take your in-law. What do you call in-law? Mulamwa.
Mulamu.
Oh, no. Mulamu is here. Your Mulamu is here.
Yeah. It's still green. Huh?
Yeah, remove the green part.
Today I learned how to cook matooke.
But you know, you're only perfecting your skills, right?
Yeah. But the way in Indonesia, it's so different. How to cook?
It's different.
Yeah.
So next time you're going to cook for us the Indonesia food.
Yeah.
You have to, right?
Yeah.
You'll come with a recipe for that.
Yeah. See? It's so big.
Yeah, it's really big.
Yeah.
Oh, and we do.
It's so big.
Let me help you. It's not big. It's very hard.
It's so big. Okay, it's done.
Yeah, it's done. So we're going to wash it and then I think we boil it. Huh?
Yeah.
Well, I'm so surprised with the final product that I've seen. The two people that are not Ugandans with the interest of the Ugandan food. That is what culture diversity means. They are not Ugandans, but they picked the interest in the food. They perfected so much. I cannot imagine how these two people came up with something like this. They are not from Uganda, but how far they have gone with the food is really amazing. How did you make this, Asti?
This one I have to peel and then slowly because this is also the second time I peel matoke.
So you
Yeah.
had peeled matoke before in Indonesia, or you just learned all this from?
I just
From
learned from here to peel the matoke
But if I'm to ask, why did you pick so much interest in matoke?
because the food is so nice.
It's so nice to you that
Yeah.
you liked it that much, and
I really like it.
you took all to learn how to
Yeah.
prepare it by yourself, just in case you don't find it in the restaurant. You can make it by your own.
Yeah.
That is really amazing. See, when we talk about the love for something, love doesn't only stop in liking, but going an extra mile is what it means. So she liked the food. She went ahead and learned how to make the food from the process of the peeling. So we will continue and see how best she will prepare the matoke, because today is her day. So we will see how she will cook the matoke. So continue with us as we are going ahead to see the other part of cooking.
Okay.
Didn't cook the matoke in its like original way of covering it in the banana leaves and all that stuff. We are going to make mashed matoke, a simple meal. Asti is going to make for us actually
Yeah,
mashed
guys.
matoke.
Today I have to cook
Yeah.
matoke.
So we didn't make it with the banana leaves because of sustainability. We are trying to conserve the environment. We don't want to go more of the green. So we will just boil it like that, and then we will mash it as per Asti recipe.
So guys, our matoke is ready. We've already boiled it. So the next step we're going to do is to mash it. So Aste is going to mash the matoke for us. Go
So
ahead.
I'm the one and this. And after that,
Just use any of the stick there.
and like this. Ah, this is the first time.
You're mashing.
Yeah.
And but do you ever put anything in matoke, like butter or
Nothing
just asking?
in Indonesia. But this is, guys, the first time I
You're mashing the matoke.
mashing the matoke because I just buy in the banias in the restaurant. If I want
Cooked one.
to, yeah, the cook one. If
Oh,
I want
yeah.
to eat matoke, I always went there in banias, in Lusania restaurant, in Mariana. Yeah, and the new restaurant also in the banias. Yeah, I always went there to eat matoke.
Ah, nice.
Yeah.
You see, it's easy to mash.
Yeah,
Already
it's,
almost done.
yeah, it's
Like it's
easy.
nothing.
It's easy.
Yeah.
But guys, this is the first time. Huh? So guys, I will go to Uganda soon,
And you will be our wife.
and then I will be Muchala Mugaga in Uganda. So I have to learn because I really like Uganda. So I have to learn everything:
Yeah, correct.
food, language.
But you already know the language. Like,
Yeah,
okay, some words,
some.
you know? Some words you already know about it.
Yeah. After this, like this, and then still
Still more.
Oh, still.
So guys, if you're still watching until this part, we believe that we have taken you through the process of cooking matoke, and where we are right now, we are at the last stage of the matoke, and this is the eating stage. So the food is prepared by the hands that you're seeing here, Asti in Indonesian, and
Pamela.
so
Kenya.
just tell us basically how you made the food and how was it, because we can't wait to taste the food.
How to peel matoke? It's like it's easy, but I still learn also. It's slowly I do.
No, if it's here like this, then that means that it's fine. This is fine. We
Yeah.
already have the final food.
And how to
mash,
to mash the matoke also the first time I did it, but it's easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, it's easy
Mhm.
how to cook matoke, and I will learn after this. I will cook
You cook
again.
on your
Yeah,
house,
yeah,
right?
I will
Yes.
cook in my house.
Ah, nice. So
So the next part that we are going to do is to launch the food. I will be the one to test first to see if really the food is amazing or not. If it's not amazing, we will decredit you, but if it's
Yeah.
amazing, then the credit will come back to you.
you'll go back to the kitchen and cook again.
Okay.
Wow, the food is really amazing, so you should just try this. So we will end our podcast from here. We will not take you through the journey of the eating. So kindly subscribe. And if you are there and you want to come and join our podcast, please, you're most welcome. We are inviting people who are having specific information about different cultures in different traditions. Our channel basically is on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. We are called Connect Kenya Uganda. We basically say Connect Kenya Uganda, and we don't complete, but in full, it's Connect Kenya Uganda to the rest of the world. So that's why we're traveling different parts of the world to bring for you different people with specific talents and specific information.
Okay, so we'll wind up, and guys, let us enjoy our food today, cooked by Aste. Aste, thank you so much for this food, and you always welcome to this house.
Yeah, I will come always.
Absolutely.
Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Thank
Till
you.
next time. Bye
Bye.
Bye bye.